Hey everybody, it's Josh from Twisted Motion with another Sentra swap. This one is a B15. We did our VET swap on this one. This one's bone stock, like I'm talking about stock as it can come. Stock height, everything on some Advan wheels, looking fresh. Let's check out the motor. Bam! Got the cruise control hooked up, everything. AC hooked up, got all of it. This is an old pipe too that we used from like 5 cars. It was like a 240SX pipe. It's been welded like 10 different times. It's all stock on the stock turbo setup, stock boost, tial blow-off valves, Z32 MAF, stock tranny, JGY clutch, Jim Wolf tune on our special Twisted Motion tune from them. Super sleeper. You would never expect this thing to move like that, especially with the hood closed. Oof. I love this motor so much. It's just like, you don't even need all the vacuums it has. We just cap them off on certain ones. We just use the one. It's the one vacuum line for basically the blow-off valve and the wastegate. Simple. And then you got the fuel pressure regulator one. That's easy. Everyone asks how we get this thing to idle, and we just use a remote mount idle control valve. It's kind of up in there. You won't be able to see it, but on my other cars we normally will drill a hole on the last runner, weld the plate onto it, and then just bolt the idle control valve right here. This one's tapped into right by the throttle body. There's a hole, it's tapped in, but you can see the idle control valve back there. Real basic swap, real easy. Everyone tries to overthink this swap, but the VET is, God, the easiest one I think out of all of them. So definitely be into this one if you guys are looking to do a VET swap. Don't get all crazy, don't buy no standalones, none of that. Just a Jim Wolf computer, works fine, it runs really good. My other car, I'm on 33 pounds of boost on the stock engine, and it's taking it on a ROM tune from Jim Wolf, so it's not that bad. This guy, he didn't pay for a catch can, so we just left that open, but we would mount it right here and then just run the hose to it. Keep it simple. Let's hear her start up. Yeah, nice and stock. Are rare to come across these days. A 2.0 B15, not common in Las Vegas. Put that air on though. Woo. Nice and cold. If you guys are interested on doing one of these swaps, just hit us up directly on our Instagram page or my cell phone. twistedmotionlv.com. We're at Cisco's. Popo's parked over here on the other side of the gate. Got that sleeper Sentra right here, B15 VET. I lost my ride. Lamborghinis now. Baby, come back. Sleeper. Got Zambuki in here, doing some driving for us.